Hello students, how are you? Hope you are all fine. Welcome to English class. Today my topic is phrases and clauses. Phrases. Now students, we will learn the definition of phrases. Phrase. A phrase is a group of words that does not contain a subject and verb and does make complete sense. Clause. A clause is a group of words that contains a subject and a verb and is a part of a sentence or a sentence by itself. Now students, we will learn the concept verb. Phrase, not a full sentence, not a complete thought, prepositional phrase, adjective phrase, adverb phrase, noun phrase or verb phrase. Can have subject, verb or neither. Clause has a subject, has a verb, independent and dependent, subordinate. Can express a complete thought. Next, kinds of phrases. There are different kinds of phrase based on noun phrase, adjective phrase, adverb phrase, verbal phrase and prepositional phrase. Now students, we will learn the noun phrase. What is noun phrase? A group of words that does the function of a noun in a sentence is called a noun phrase. Example, his sudden resignation is a mystery. His sudden resignation is a noun phrase. Next, adjective phrase. A group of words that does the function of an adjective in a sentence is called an adjective phrase. Example, my neighbor is a man with strange habits. In this sentence, with strange habits is an adjective phrase. Next, adverb phrase. A group of words that does the function of an adjective in a sentence is called adverb phrase. Example, he lived in Saudi Arabia once upon a time. In this sentence, once upon a time is a adverb phrase. Next, verbal phrase. A verbal phrase can be a finite verb phrase or non-finite verb phrase. A finite verb phrase is one that can be the main phrase of a sentence. Example, you live, you are living. Next, prepositional phrase. A prepositional phrase does the work of a prepositional and usually ends with a simple prepositional. Example, he worked hard for the sake of a prize. In this sentence, for the sake of is a prepositional phrase. Now students, we will learn the kinds of clauses. There are different kinds of clauses based on noun clause, adjective clause, adverb clause. Now let's start noun clause. A subordinate clause that does the work of a noun clause is called noun clause. Example, he says that it will not work. In this sentence, that it will not work is a noun clause. Adjective clause. A subordinate clause that does the work of an adjective is called an adjective clause. Example, I remember the letter that she wrote to me. In this sentence, that she wrote to me is is an adjective clause. Then adverb clause, a subordinate clause that does the work of an adverb is called an adverb clause. Example: he could not come because he was sick. Because he was sick in this sentence is adverb clause. Hope students you all have understood about phrases and clauses. Thank you.